everybody. Well, let me close that cabinet. See, it's like real life. We are getting ready for our big 2-hour show in about, 25 minutes, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. with Mary D, which I couldn't be more excited about. Hey, Debbie, 12 brand new items. Thank you. Thank you. See that? 12 brand new items in that show. There were 5 new in the 10 a.m. show. If you missed them, you got to check them out. You guys have been shopping and loving everything that we're sharing with you for our fall, our Cooking on Cue fall day. So, hey, everybody. Hi, Louise. Hi, Melinda, Stacy. Hello, hello. Hey, Joy Gathers. Good to see you, my friend. Eve's there. Marlene's here. All right. By the way, if you missed out on the new in the show this morning at 10 a.m., I got to just show you these stinking adorable witch's feet, little cauldron ramekins. I put a lot of descriptive words in there and then got lost. But I wanted to share with you guys, I'm going to close the freezer. I wanted to share with you guys some of the new that's coming up in the 1 o'clock show. Hey, everybody. Good to see you guys. Hi, Michelle, Lena. Hello, Louise. Okay. Follow me. Okay. We're just going to drop the mic with this one because I can't even stand how stinking cute it is. Come here, Frankie. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Look at this. We're calling this our fall Tastic tree. It's H227251. Now, I believe these will go live right at the top of the show. K-Fon in the house. These will go live right at the top of the show. So I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek. 4 awesome ramekins. I actually can't even stand. Buffetti has a little cobweb. And then the Fall Tastic has the cute little leaf. These are so adorable. I love, love, love. They're a super quick sell right at the top of the hour. So make sure you stay tuned there. Then we have charcuterie boards. Wait till you see how cute these are. What's charcuterie? Well, if you've been bored crazy, look how fun these are. Again, printed on the front and plain on the back. So you can slice on the other side, serve on that side. Lemons, limes, little desserts, cheese board, meat and cheese board. Okay, I'll have some cookies. Love these, and I love the burned in pattern with the beautiful wood. These are K51972. Lise, are these coming live right at the top of the show?
Right at the top of the show.
Okay, that's what I thought. So just giving you guys the item numbers. Then the 13x9 is back. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Okay, 13x9, super excited about this. Get rid of the metal. Let's work with the stoneware. Come look in the oven. Oh, hello. Clean up in aisle 9. Probably need to wipe up that cobbler.
Well, it's naturally non-stick.
Why would you make lasagna in that when you can make lasagna in that?
That's the question.
Which came first, the chicken or the egg? By the way, if you missed our tea kettle this morning, that was on. Love that. If you missed our mitts, those were on, including some ghosts. We got glass canisters in the show. Our board was back in the show. So many great things.
Hold on.
I
Let me
can't.
grab something for you.
I thought you were busy.
Well, they're not.
She told me I was on my own. I had to figure it all out. I had to have item numbers. So here I am. Oh, Frankie. Oh. When are yes. Hold on. This is why we love her. Okay. Your heads might pop off, but we did the pocket spreaders. So if you guys hadn't seen the pocket spreaders, there's actually a little loop for them to sit in. Frankie, Esmeralda. So for those of you who've been wanting a figural cat, and then little mommy. Wait, look at her glasses. I actually can't even stand it. And then we did them in our really sweet, soft pumpkins with a pumpkin stack spreader, which is just, these are beautiful, you guys. But now Lisa went out of order, so I got to find this item number. You go to the end. I found them. K52009. Seasonal set of 3 figural lidded ramekins. Nope, wrong item. Don't put me in charge. That's another awesome item, though, you guys are definitely going to want to check out. This is the set of 3 seasonal ramekins with pocket spreader. That's K51909. They're so adorable, you guys will absolutely love those. Okay, where are we headed to next? We are going to show you our Frankie bowl and little mummy platter. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Hold, please. Where is it? What happened to it? Where's little Frankie?
Oh, he's over on the dining table.
Oh, see, I'm always the last to know. I am always the last to know. Oh, and all displayed and right. Was that there when I just was over there? Okay. I'm cuckoo. Okay, here is the Frankie bowl. I mean, 2-quart. Absolutely adorable. Buffetti on the side. And then Frankie in the middle. Or we have Lil Mummy, which is so adorable also. And again, what?
Please, I'll
You
find
think
it.
it's easy to do this? Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
H227
H227
452.
452. Love. Okay. Then we have glass canisters. We have a tea set. We have a brand new ruffled bowl. We have dome bakers.
Tara, seriously.
Oh, look at the domed ruffled bowl.
Turn to me.
I have turned into you. What's happened? What's happening? Look how beautiful that is.
And we have it in Buffetti.
And we have it in Buffetti, which is so awesome. So we have lots of Buffetti in the show, lots of seasonal. We got Little Mummy stopping by, Little Frankie. We have so many. Our aprons back, which is great. Oh, we don't even have a sample here. Q does, but we have mini pie plates that we did in Buffetti and fall that are awesome. And we're debuting first time ever square dinnerware on QVC. So 12-piece set, 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, 4 bowls, which is great. You guys, this show is jam-packed. We couldn't even get samples on everything. QVC couldn't even get samples on everything. So we have images to share with you and show you. It's just, that's how it is. It's fall, y'all. So we're making it happen. Hey, Anne-Marie, good to see you. Hi, Tina. Hi, Stacy. Oh, I need that bowl in my life. Tell me about it. Hey, Pam, good to see you. We have the mini pitchers. We showed you the pocket spreaders. And then guess what's back at the end of the show? Our drying mats, which were like super crazy popular, sold out in January, more just arrived. The whole show's on a C5. It's Mary and me for 2 hours from 1 to 3 p.m. Can't wait. So excited, bursting, jam-packed with so many goodies. It's crazy. I know, Joy. What? When? Hey, Kat, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So in 17 minutes on QVC, head on over and check it out. We will have a 2-hour Temp-tations finale of Temp-tations Days show where we jam-pack 12 brand new items and like cuteness overload. I actually can't even stand it. You look like you're a little tired. There we go. There she is. All right, you guys, we are set. This is how it works. Dun it. All right, you guys, super excited. Let me go get ready. And we'll see you in about 17 minutes. Lisa's like, she's giving me the wrap it up sign. Wrap it up, lady. All right, you guys, adore you. Please come spend some time with us. Bye.